Now we're going to do a dynamic drill that exercises both the armbar from top cross side and the hitchhiker escape. So let's just say that Lachlan is executing an armbar on me. From here, I'm going to escape immediately using the hitchhiker side. Roll and then pass his guard. As soon as I pass his guard, I execute the armbar. He passes my guard. Maybe he goes this way, here. Now, run away. I pass here for the armbar. Just like this. Good. He escapes. Beautiful. Here. Armbars me. Run away. Perfect. Beautiful. Turn, turn, turn. Beautiful. Here. Escaping. Awesome. Beautiful. So, armbar and the hitchhiker escape in a circular, repetitive fashion that mimics actual wrestling.